So I was looking on Google for completely original, never before used YouTube video ideas, and I saw cooking. So we're going to be making popcorn. So first step, we need to get the popcorn. So I'll just...
There's popcorn in the...
Damn it, Mother!
Oh, sorry.
Anyways, before I was rudely interrupted by my mother, the first step is that you need to get your popcorn. So if I go in here, you'll see I have my popcorn. And then what this... So now with this, And now that we have our popcorn, bag of popcorn, we enter on to the third step. So you open your bag of popcorn and you throw the plastic away like a good obedient child or adult. And then you go and you open the microwave, and then you just kind of throw. As I was saying, that's what I thought. And now that your popcorn is nice and snug in your microwave, you're gonna go and you're gonna press the popcorn button. And I'm gonna start it. And there we go. Now, as you can see, it says end. You then have to open it, and there should be your wonderful bag of popcorn. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow for another daily upload. Merry Christmas.